Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the voice playback speed on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Time and Language from the left sidebar. From there, select Speech. Here in Speech Settings, go down to Voices, and you will see a slider to adjust the speed of the voice. Use the slider and then click Preview Voice to see if it's how you want it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.